Hey, turn your phone sideways. I'll wait for you. All right, you did it? All right, cool. Listen up. My name is Cliff. I own Ovation Home Renovation, and I have a message for you. My father-in-law just passed. Tomorrow's a memorial service, or a memorial service for him. It's called a 1 week, but that's Ghanaian culture. We can talk about that later. Just hit me up in the comments. So what's happening is, essentially, I'd like to share this. He taught me one thing, that you should use and share whatever you have in your hands, and it's this construction business that I have in my hands. So what I'm doing right now is, one, I'm creating awareness of his kindness. He was a medical doctor, and he shared everything that he had. He gave free care to folks. He essentially didn't care about money. So I'd like to extend that to you. So follow the link in my bio. You're gonna find an offer for 50% off bathroom renovations, bathroom builds. I guess a testament to her kindness as well, because she learned everything that she knows from her dad. Let's talk about it, and let's get your projects off the ground, because it's getting cold. You're gonna be moving inside, and I'd rather you enjoy your spaces than look at something that's run down. So hit me up and let's get that conversation going. Enjoy your evenings.